Packing light is a muscle. It's like going to the gym. You need to be able to remind yourself that you can do it. And you need to kind of get that system down in like your head and know that I did this, it worked. And then you just start there. Instead of having to go through all of the like brainstorming, problem solving, whatever, it's like, okay, this works for my toiletry kit. You just start there. So life experience, real world exposure therapy by packing light is going to help you get better, and it's going to help it become something that you don't even really have to think about, and it never feels hard unless you're doing a really unique trip that you haven't done or you just haven't traveled in a long time. So yes, it does take practice. Don't give up. Every little experience that you have is just going to make it easier in the future.